Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use ChatGPT voice conversation mode. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use ChatGPT voice conversation mode, all you gotta do is simply go to ChatGPT. Once you're in your ChatGPT, all you gotta do is simply go and tap on the answering section, which is like ask anything section right over there on your screen. So simply tap on it, and once you're here, you can find a microphone like icon. You need to simply tap can and start speaking what you want, like what you want to question or what you want to say to ChatGPT. So once you have talked, you can simply tap on the tick and now it will transcribe. And you need to simply select a voice, and you can simply send it and have a interpreting or transpirational voice. You can simply have a conversation with it and have a natural tone of speaking without interruption and guidance. And this is how you can simply use ChatGPT voice conversation mode. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.